Hey everyone, it is Mom Hack Monday and I have a great recipe for a spray to spray on your skin after you've been in the sun all day. It is a great after sun spray. So all you need is Witch Hazel, you need aloe vera gel, vitamin E, oil, and lavender and peppermint, okay? I personally like to add the vitamin E, but it's not necessary, so it's totally up to you. But you know, after being in the sun, lavender can be very soothing to your skin when it's irritated. So this is great to have and put on you after you've been in the sun at the beach or at a park or a Bucks game because football's getting ready to start. You know, this is a great add to your collection. So all you need is a half a cup of Witch Hazel. So I usually just grab a measuring cup from the kitchen, and then it's 2 tablespoons of, oh, I knocked over my spray. 2 tablespoons of the aloe vera gel, and you can use liquid aloe vera if you want, or you can use the gel that you have, because it will break down in the Witch Hazel. So I'm going to show you in just a second. All right, so you'll see here that I have the Witch Hazel and the aloe vera, so I'm just mixing it here, okay? I'm gonna add just a squirt of vitamin E oil. This is, I bought this off of Amazon. This just kind of helps really condition your skin. So there's this, and then I add, I'm making lots of noise today. 15 drops of lavender, okay? So lavender, again, is very soothing to skin. 5, 6. Woo, okay. And I add 5 drops of peppermint because peppermint's very cooling. I don't add more than that because with the kids, I tend to find that their skin, they're a little bit more sensitive to it. So less peppermint for us in our household. And then you just mix it around like this, and voila, you are done. So then you're just gonna pour it into your bottle. Now you can get these little spray bottles. I get them at either the dollar store or at Walmart. They're really easy to find, and I have the little funnel. I'm pouring it in. And a great place to keep this is actually in the fridge. Why? Because it is very cooling and soothing when it's cold. Now I know when you're sunburned and somebody puts something cold on you, you like tense up and you're a little irritated, but it really does feel good on your skin. You don't have to keep it in the fridge, it's just an option, but that's it. So before you use it, always give it a good shake, make sure everything's evenly distributed, and spray away. So this is a great after sun spray. I thank you for joining me, and happy Mom Hack Monday. Bye.